right, so this is pretty exciting for us today because we are actually going to show you the reveal of our friend's apartment. Now, a few months ago, they came in and visited us here in Nairobi, fell in love with the country. And what was unique is my husband was posting on Facebook one day some beautiful things about Kenya. And this brother responded, if you have a skating rink, we're coming. Didn't realize that we were going to show them one of the biggest skating rinks they have ever seen in their whole entire life. These people are skateheads. So they came, they saw, they fell in love with the skating life here, fell in love with Nairobi. So we immediately began planning to have their relocation services. These bedrooms are huge. I'm filming the camera person filming me. Yeah, this is the master. Look how big this master is. You have wall-to-wall closet space in here, his and hers. And then this is Ryan. Look where Lucy is. Okay. Well, the video is going to come out. We're going to do this video in parts because I can't wait to decorate this place, man. Oh, we got copper curtain rods already. Oh, I can't wait. It already matches the color scheme. Where's Stephanie? She picked this color for her daughter's bed. They already got it in the rooms, like, okay. Thank you, son. Assalamu alaikum. But didn't realize there was going to be some hiccups along the way. Now I found them the most beautiful apartment, brand new build out actually. And what's different about these are once someone buys a property off plan, then that owner, once it's finished, is allowed to rent it out. So we are going into these apartments, brand new renters, and all kinds of stuff is different. I don't know if it's a cultural difference, if it's a business difference, I don't know. But once we went in, we're noticing that there's no light fixtures in the whole apartment. And the owner was like, hey, that's for y'all to put in there. And we're arguing with them, no, these are tenants, this for you to put in there. Then we had an issue with the stove. These are high-end apartments. The pricing is high-end. But for some reason, the owner thought a white stove would be all that they would need in this big, beautiful kitchen. A white stove, 4-burner. Mind you, there's a space for a 5 or 6 burner, and the show apartment are all stainless steel. So we're fighting the owners over a white stove. And then there was no bathtub in the bathroom. It's listed as having a jetted bathtub. It's on the lease. But the owner was like, I'll get to it when I get to it. He thought that these people should come in, rent the apartment with no bathtub. So on top of all of that craziness, we are literally going back and forth, arguing with the owners, trying to get this straight for these people. And I'm exhausted. And guess what? They're coming tonight. Hopefully they will love everything that we've done. We try to put a little special, do a special room like we always do. For these particular clients, they are Muslim. So I wanted to do something really unique and spiritual for them. I'm not going to give it away. We're just going to let you see it. So hopefully when they come in at midnight tonight and we're staying up again till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning when they finally get to the apartment, we're going to make sure you guys see it all.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is that you do. My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
So it's 1 o'clock in the morning. We are waiting for our clients to arrive, to actually come here to the apartment. And we're a little excited because these are actually friends of ours. And with that, we were able to pretty much know a little bit of their history and what was needed for them to just make sure they feel at home. So we have a couple surprise pieces here. The husband had sent a picture down as a surprise for his wife. She doesn't even know it, but we've had custom art done, which is an exact replica of the picture that he asked for the artist to send.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just
So we're gonna turn the lights off. So when she comes, the first thing she sees is that artwork. Hopefully, we're going to get a good response. Let's wait and see.
see
Yes.
Keep close.
Okay.
All praise be to Allah.
This is a gift from your
Alhamdulillah.
Open
Alhamdulillah.
your eyes.
Your skate fell out.
Yeah, I've been working on that. You know, his eyes are all the chain.
Oh, my pro looking real nice right there. Oh my goodness, I love the green.
That's all praise be to Allah.
You like it?
I like it. Ah, comfort.
Did you pick out? So you're in the kitchen.
Okay.
Ah,
Fresh paint.
oh my God.
He's a fella.
Oh my goodness.
I wish I could show you.
You know, this will be your hot water tank as a backup.
Oh,
You have solar heating as well, but if it doesn't get hot enough,
shit, your man.
come push this button here, give it 10 minutes, you have your fresh hot water. Just remember to turn it off because it will eat up your power.
Oh,
It's the guest
I gotta
bathroom.
remember that we wasting so much as you realize.
How we gonna have a high electric bill? Cause ain't nobody gonna remember.
No, you don't have no bills, your power just goes up. You just gotta, well, he'll show you a couple days
Yes,
from
ma'am.
now. Your daughter's bedroom.
Okay. Okay, this is fun.
Don't turn it on, don't turn it on.
Oh my
Should've told you
gosh.
straight away.
It's so cute. She went other way. Look at the light. Oh, I can't wait till she comes. Oh no, there will be class.
I was like, if I don't make her cry, I ain't do a good job.
I think I did all my crying. And I didn't cry that boy because I said, dude, gonna say you cry. I said, no, I ain't crying.
You gonna cry right now?
But
though.
I've been crying watching certain movies and I've been
If I can't make you cry with one of my surprises, I didn't do a good job.
Yeah, I'm so bad. Oh, snap! Shut your mouth!
Alhamdulillah.
The super phone?
It is.
Woo!
The mattress fits a king bed, so
Ay,
like no sheets fit this bed.
wow.
Oh, it got tears.
Oh. Oh. The super foam is it,
Check out
y'all. The
your
super
master
foam
bathroom.
is it. What's this?
Master bathroom. Primary bathroom, as they keep telling me.
Look at all of the cabinet space. We sure don't need it. Y'all don't understand. We brought 10 luggage. Ah. I'm tired.
And for you, brother Jeffrey, you got jetted tub.
Thank you.
You got the headrest.
Yeah.
Okay.
A surprise for you as well. It's a little something for your back that I thought would be good.
All praise.
Orthopedic,
Thank you so
extra
much.
orthopedic
Thank
pillow.
you so
Oh,
much.
you got a
Gel foam.
pillow.
Thank you so much. Yeah, awesome.
Nice and heavy.
Oh my goodness.
You do.
Yes.
That's fake. All right. If I don't get action out of this extra,
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
Yes. All praise. Alhamdulillah.
Hearts decide. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me.
and of course, your guest, another bathroom.
Yeah,
This place got so many bathrooms.
ablution. Voodoo room.
That's a big bed.
Put your life on the
There we go.
That's a nice one.
don't know what I'd do without you. Make me smile, what is it that you do?
Me and Dennis spent out all week just hanging on your patio waiting for people to come.
We gotta go let the mosquito come in.
Put the cashiers in.
Mosquito come in with this type of projects.
Not really.
Yeah, don't
Carlos lives right there, right in front of you. Look at this view.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. You sell me, you'll stay.
He donated all these shoes for the school, the Shangalia school, for the babies, for the children, teenagers, for those with the big feet, because these are big. All these shoes for the babies. I'm so excited.
From our beloved Brother Jeffrey, Sister Stephanie, we made sure that they didn't come with their hand out. They came with their hand out with something in it to give. So that's always a blessing.
I also want to say something too. I want to give all praise due to Allah for this family. And I know that Allah been working on all of us with ups and downs, and sometimes we don't understand it. But the more that we talk, inshallah, we did get you and bring the minister, get you here. And also, but again, I want to just say thank you all for Allah showing me and giving a chance to add more life to my life book and share with my friends. And that's when I came up, when I know Master Muhammad gave me the way he blessed me with it. He didn't give it to me, blessed me with it. And I said that we left as slave ships and come back on an airplane because we didn't have no say-so when we left.
That's right.
But we have all the say-so to come back. So, you know, that's a slogan that we are copyrighted. And so because we want to go a long way with that. We want to represent that our people can come back, like I say, in airplanes. And so again, I thank Lamont and his wife, Sister Dita, for paving the way here. And just good people in Kenya, they're so beautiful. And again, I'm just so inspired and happy. And I'm looking to make an impact. If Allah, you take my life, I would be buried in the place that our ancestors come from. So I thank y'all, Allah.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold